Unit 5 Mixed Review number 14. The model is shaded to represent one whole. So this is the kind that we're used to. This is one whole. Which model represents 6/10 times 3/10? So remember, we started off this unit talking about modeling multiplication, and I got you thinking about how we did whole numbers back in elementary. 6 times 3, your teacher often would have you draw 6 groups with 3 in each group. But if we look at the two numbers we're trying to multiply, 6/10 times 3/10, how would you draw 6/10 groups? That doesn't work. And so we have to go with the other kind of model that your elementary teachers might have had you do, and that is to draw an array, a rectangle that is 6 on one side and 3 on the other. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that way, and 3 going down, and then fill it in to make a complete array or rectangle. Okay, that's the kind of thing we're looking for on this problem. So we need a rectangle that is 6/10 by 3/10. Well, the only way to draw 6/10 is to have a hole, like our whole grid, and color in 6/10 of it. And so if we look at these answer choices, A has 6/10 shaded here in the light gray, but then the 3/10 is just right next to it. This model looks to me like it's 6/10 plus 3/10. They're putting those together, not multiplying them and making an array. B looks like it's got an array, this right here. Remember in class we had our pink, yellow, orange. On here it's gray, gray, and grayer. And so we've got a box there, but is it 6/10 on one side and 3/10 on the other? Let's see. So going horizontally, we've got 1, 2, 3/10. So 3/10 on this side. And then going this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/10. And so this one looks pretty good. C, on the other hand, has that rectangle, but if you count along this top side, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/10. And so you've got a rectangle here, or an array, that's 7/10. And to make it even worse, going on the other side, it is 4/10. And so C is wrong. It is 4/10 times 7/10. D is just, it's got this little bitty array. That doesn't look like it's 7/10 or 6/10 on one side and 3/10 on the other. The 6/10 and 3/10, they did 6/100. This would be hundredths here by 3/100. And so D, I'm not even sure what they're showing there, because we can't use this kind of model, our pink, yellow, orange model, with hundredths. So D is out, C is out, and A is out. The correct answer is B.